So just continuing on now with line types and layers, mainly talking about the use of the layer control commands. I've put in a few more layers here. To switch from layer to layer, we can pull down this drop box and click on the word, and then when we draw a line, it's going to be in that next layer. Pull down the drop box, click on the word, and we're drawing in that layer. Now, one of the useful properties, well, let's just go through these commands at the top here. So layer properties we've done. Make objects layer current. So if I click on that one and then I select a line, it has made that center line layer the current layer. The next one, match properties. Change the layer of a selected object to match the destination layer. So we'll click on that, we'll select this line, and then we will select, looks like we've got to press enter, and then we'll select a new layer, and it changes the first selection to the second selection. So that's quite a handy thing to, because you can do a whole stack of them at once. Previous, we'll just simply set the layer back to the previous layer. Now isolate's quite a good one. Often if you want to only have one particular layer showing, we'll select that hidden line and press the enter key, and what it's done, it's a bit hard to see, what it's done is actually grayed out the other layers, and it's just showing us the hidden layer. And to reverse that, unisolate, we'll make them all active again. Now there's some important things here on this drop down. You've got the light bulb here, which means that we can actually turn off individual layers, turn off and on individual layers. We can also lock layers so that they can't be changed. So if I lock the hidden lines, it won't let me change those hidden lines. So that's very easy to manipulate there. The freezing is used when we get to layouts, so we'll talk about that later on, to be able to turn off individual layers only in a viewport in a layout.